rolling through the strip here at night. We're showing you things to do at night while you're in Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach nights offer everything from neon boardwalk strolls and SkyWheel views to live music at the Bowery or House of Blues. You can dive into local history with a paranormal ghost tour, catch a dueling piano show at Broadway at the beach, or enjoy a relaxed evening of live acoustic sets along the Murrells Inlet Marsh Walk.
This was General Grant's headquarters here.
Here we are.
Here we made it. There it is. That right there is the house that General Grant commanded the war for a few years from. It was right over here. An open gate. That's our way in. All right, we're in to the complex here. I'm gonna go down this way.
From June 1864 through the end of the war, the quiet port of City Point served as the strategic brain of the Union war machine. This high-tech logistics hub was the headquarters where Lieutenant General Ulysses S. Grant orchestrated the siege of Petersburg and hosted high-stakes councils with Abraham Lincoln and William T. Sherman.
A Gaines Mill battlefield.
I think this was the location of the 7-day battle.
Okay, cannons. Yeah, the artillery battalion was up here and they were shooting cannons, and the Union got their butts handed to them down here in Richmond.
In the sweltering June heat of 1862, Robert E. Lee launched a massive assault against Fitz-John Porter's isolated Union Corps at Gaines Mill. Despite strong federal defenses behind Boatswain's Swamp, repeated Confederate charges finally broke through when John Bell Hood's Texans pierced the line at dusk. This hard-won victory forced a general Union retreat, successfully lifting the immediate siege of Richmond and seizing the strategic initiative for the Confederacy.